Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. So friends, today my topic is hard drive data recovery services. So firstly I wrote it at Google. So the my today's topic is hard drive, HARD, hard drive, hard sorry, hard drives, hard drives data recovery. Hard data recovery means to data recovery services. What's the Google's tell us about data recovery? So data recovery hard, the best recovery services. Slavage data has been provided quality data recovery services for over 15 years, means it gave us 15 years. So 15 years recovery. So we have the technically advantage proprietary hardware and the software solution. So if you get it, then you can means to its you can assess it about 15 years with granted. So assess data recovery. Firstly, the second step is secure data recovery, means if your data is hacked or any other attack, then you can give way or back it from these services, or on attack giveaway. So the next step is what is that? So we discuss is about the best 5 drive data recovery services, means to 2023 data services are what are advantages they have. So I click it here and then I see all the strategies and all these um, best ways to tell you about this hard disk. So you can easily and comfortably use this one app or this one um, devices. So data recovery, what's tell about the Robert and the Nicole said data recovery services are like a separate tire in the truck of your car. So data recovery means to you have to get a separate way to get right in your separate tire in the truck of your car. You hope you never have to use it, but when you need it, you really need it. Just like Andy, you would have no way to getting home without that extra time. A data recovery service might be your only hope to saving your data in if you have and damage a corrupted hard drive. um, there he they telling you about the example of the car who have a extra tire for further use if you if that damage or any other thing else. So you can use it sometimes that not be usable, but if that not possible to save it from damage, so you if your corrupt hardware disk, you can get it easily. So and other hard disk device you can get it. So only find out more about data recovery services and what they can do for you, what they do it for you. What is the data recovery service? A hard drive recovery device is a company that specialize in the recovery of lost, damage or the corrupted data. So you can get it from there and this one website. So easily you can data recovery software get it in a lab recovery performing the clean room environment. So easily you can get it. So I will see you in a next video. So Allah Hafiz.